Hello everyone and welcome back to Code Witcuts. This week in the AI world has been nothing short of explosive. We're talking about a deluge of new tools, features, and breakthroughs that will make your head spin. So buckle up, because without wasting another second, let's dive straight in. First up, let's talk about an AI tool that brings silent videos to life with incredible precision. The tool is called ThinkSound. Imagine you have a video of a man chopping wood, but there's no sound. You feed this video into ThinkSound, and this AI meticulously adds perfectly synchronized sound effects to every action. For example, the chop sound will only occur the moment the axe hits the wood, not a second before or after. These aren't generic sound effects. They are perfectly synchronized with the video's actions. Take another example. A child crying, then taking a breath, and then stopping. ThinkSound adds the exact sound for each of those moments. The crying, the breathing, and the silence, all perfectly timed. Or in a video of someone playing an instrument, as the fingers move and change notes, different sounds are produced, matching each subtle movement. Even if a train is approaching from a distance in a video, ThinkSound will produce a faint sound first, gradually increasing the volume as it gets closer. This AI not only understands actions, but also situations and space. So, is ThinkSound better than others? Yes. It's been compared to a popular free AI tool called Audio. On the same silent video, ThinkSound's audio quality was found to be more natural, cleaner, and better synchronized. If you're interested in the technical details, this tool is available for free on Hugging Face. You can upload your video, add a prompt if you like, and submit it. The AI will analyze the video, design the sound accordingly, and then provide a new video with natural-sounding audio. The code and instructions are also available on GitHub if you want to run it locally. I'll drop all the links in the description. Next up, we have an incredibly cool AI tool called OmniWeeks. This AI can take a photo you upload and transform it into a completely customized video. Imagine you have a photo of a woman. You simply type in a prompt like, "The woman in this photo is talking to a man on the street," and this AI will create a video of that scene. The most impressive part? The woman's face remains exactly as it was in the original photo. Or, if you have a girl's photo and type, "This girl is wearing glasses," and then those glasses morph into a photo-like effect, you'll get a video depicting just that. What makes this AI truly stand out is its ability to not only understand actions from prompts, but also to infer what the user means even with spelling mistakes. For instance, if you mistakenly type pray instead of prayer, it will still understand you want to depict someone praying in a temple, and the video will be generated accordingly. You can even instruct it to show a woman sweeping, a child doing homework, or two people running in a park. You can even combine two separate photos to create a new video. For example, if one photo shows a man running and another shows a church, you can command, "Show this man running in front of the church," and that's precisely what you'll get. Now, it's important to note that this video generator isn't perfect yet. In some cases, facial details can get a bit distorted. However, what it's achieving is truly remarkable. You can even control camera movements by providing a 3D trajectory, and the video will follow that path. You can also input depth videos or mask videos to get highly accurate results. Currently, the GitHub page only offers demos and information. The model and code aren't released yet, but it states, "Code coming soon," suggesting it might become open source soon. I'll leave the link in the description below. Now, for an AI tool that's truly mind-blowing, 4D SlowMo. This AI captures fast-paced scenes and turns them into super slow-motion 3D videos in very high quality. You might think you need a high-speed camera for this, but no. This tool only requires a few video clips from different angles, taken at synchronized times. When you feed these clips to the AI, it syncs and stitches them together to create a 3D video where you can view the scene from any angle, in super slow motion. The most impressive feature? This AI can generate quality of 100 to 200 frames per second without any special camera. You get footage that was previously only possible in professional studios. You can use this for sports, action scenes, experiment recordings, or simply to understand movements. Compared to older 3D video generation tools, 4D SlowMo is much smoother, sharper, and more detailed, both in frame smoothness and 3D depth. A page for it exists on GitHub, though code and data aren't available yet. They've stated that as soon as their paper is accepted, they'll make the entire system open source, so we can hopefully try it for free soon. I'll put the link in the description so you can read more details. Friends, the next AI tool is Jarvis Art, and it's an agent that directly controls Adobe Lightroom. Yes, you heard right. This tool automatically adjusts brightness, contrast, saturation, white balance, exposure, and more, without you needing to do anything manually. You just upload an image and type a simple command, just like you chat with a chatbot. The AI understands your command and automatically adjusts all the tools within Adobe Lightroom. Now, Jarvis Art is free, but Adobe Lightroom itself is a paid closed-source software. You can try it out or, well, you know. Let's look at some samples. Imagine you upload an image and command. Edit this image with slightly warmer and softer lighting, paying special attention to the details of the face and clothes. This AI will scan the entire image. Consider how to increase color temperature for a warm effect, adjust exposure, and balance highlights and shadows for clarity and brightness. Then it will focus on the face and clothes, create a mask, and retouch only that area. Tasks that take us 5 to 10 minutes manually, this AI does in seconds. Another example, upload a man's photo and prompt, evoke a sense of loneliness and contemplation with soft lighting. The AI thinks, adjusts lighting and color tone, and the resulting image truly reflects that mood. You can even draw a box around a specific area, and the AI will edit only that region. That's micro-editing. And the best part? A free demo is available on Hugging Face. You can upload an image, add a prompt, and see what Lightroom adjustments the AI suggests. Note, the Hugging Face demo won't edit photos in real time because Adobe Lightroom isn't installed on their servers. But the AI will give you a complete plan of steps and a Lightroom preset template you can download and apply. So, if you're a photographer or don't want to waste time on photo retouching, Jarvis Art could be perfect for you. All essential links are in the description. Friends, the next AI tool is an AI browser called Commit, launched by Perplexity AI, already famous for its AI search engine. They've now launched their own browser, but it's no ordinary one. It has a built-in AI assistant that can perform tasks for you, scheduling meetings, sending emails, understanding pages, automating workflows. Let's take examples. If you're on Google Maps, you can tell the AI assistant, show me cafes in this area and plan the route, and it will automatically act on Google Maps. Or if you're browsing a long Reddit thread, ask the AI to summarize it, and it will read the entire post and give you a clear summary. Currently, this browser is for Mac subscribers, and others are getting access via a waitlist. New users are also getting limited invites to share. You can join the waitlist if you want to try it. The link is in the description. Essentially, this browser fully integrates AI into your browsing experience, like an assistant always by your side wherever you surf. Friends, the next AI tool I have now is OmniWeeks, and it's an excellent 3D model generation AI tool today. You might think many AI tools create 3D models, but OmniWeeks is different. Most tools create a single solid object, where you can't edit individual parts. OmniWeeks, however, takes a 2D image, automatically identifies meaningful parts like hands, torso, eyes, attachments, and creates separate 3D shapes for each. Upload an image of a robot dog, and OmniWeeks analyzes it, creating outline boxes for the body, legs, head, tail, etc. Then, it converts each part into an individual 3D model. You can see how all the parts are separate and open them up with a slider, like detaching machine parts. Give it a car image and it creates a full 3D model with separate parts like tires, body, and windshield, which you can also edit. Its most powerful feature is mask-guided generation. You can create a mask image to specify where to cut parts. For example, With a crossbow image, a mask showing only the body and trigger will segment it accordingly. A mask showing the whole thing as one piece will create a model like that. This gives you complete control over the detail of your 3D object breakdown. The best part? A free demo is available on Hugging Face. Upload an image, click Segment Image, and the AI shows the created parts. Use the Merge option to join parts like the torso and neck. Then press Generate 3D Model to get a complete 3D model with segmented parts, a 3D Gaussian version where each part can be animated, and you can download all these models to use in software like Blender. If you're a game developer, product designer, or interested in 3D, you'll love OmniWeeks. The link is in the description. Definitely try it out. And that brings us to the end of this week's incredible AI updates. Now, tell me in the comments, which AI tool did you like the most? Which technology excites you the most? And which tools are you planning to try yourself? As always, I dig deep to find every piece of AI news for you. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to Code Witcuts. Thank you, friends. We'll meet again in the next video with another exciting update.